going to project, new project. Here I am creating LD as 0. Okay, and output is M100. Okay, and convert. Okay, convert. So converting it, there is no problem. Now I am adding a section, a new data. New data, here I will say prograaming. Okay, okay, no. Here I will select st. Okay, character, little name. Please use only valid character. Okay, then I will do programming. Okay, no issue. Now I will write a program here. Instructed at if M100. Okay, M100. Y0 put a comma, oh, sorry, else Y0 colon equal to and A. Don't forget to put the comma. Now I am converting. No error is showing that. Now we rebuild all. Okay, no problem. Now go to start simulation. Select all. Okay, execute. Okay, you may, okay, close it. Now I am going to here program body and click here to register to watch. Okay, register to watch and M100 and Y0 and click to start watching. You can see it while are false. If I will turn on X0 and M100 is on, and if M100 is on, then Y0 is on, else Y0 false. So if I, okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day.